Right, we're back in the bathroom. I'm going to share another tip with you. Have you ever been to somebody else's house and you look at their shower screen and it's absolutely immaculate? You think, they must polish that after every shower? Well, that's not the case, my friends. Seriously, it isn't. They're using a product like this called Daily Shower Cleaning Spray. And what you literally do is pop it on there, things like that, and let it run down. But let me share something else with you. These are for shower screens. I think they're 5-6 quid. And literally, if you've got kids, teach them from an early age. This way, you keep all those horrible and irritating watermarks off your shower. We're just doing a real quick video on this. But you can see there that shower screen would be the envy of your neighbours and friends. Seriously. Just do it regularly. Anyway, if you're looking to get your shower screen up to scratch, that's fine. But just one more tip.
Little and often is better than not.
One more
not
tip.
a lot of the time, as I'm saying.
Your shower screen has got to such a position that it's been overlooked and it's got lime scale marks on it. Here's our Vical friend. A little bit on the rag. Just leave it on there for a few minutes and you watch this. Look how clean that's got that.
That's immaculate, that.
So anyway,
so what are the products we're using? So we're using, I'll get this one.
Okay, we're using a squeegee,
which you can get from like Amazon or
for
local
shower screens. Microfiber cloth.
Yeah, they're really good.
Aptly called Daily Shower.
So this is from Tesco's, but obviously you can get it from elsewhere. But we've used this for years, and it's always been really good.
Vical, you could put a cloth and just rub over it and it'll clean it up. Yeah, that's basically it.
But don't leave that stuff on for too long.
No, I mean I would just suggest a little squirt and just wipe it over.
If you've got like real bad calcium build up, then Vical
if you've left it a bit, or you're moving out, or you've got to clean your shower up before you move out. You're renting a property. Just you can see how quick it is to do that with. That's virtually immaculate. We can even give that a polish if we wanted to, but. Anyway, if this has helped you solve your problem with a dirty shower screen,
watermarks and stuff like that, yeah.
Shower screen envy, then
it might. Don't know if it will help you with shower screen envy, but
it might do. You might have to get your shower screen as clean as this. Then we'd appreciate if you liked the video, and if you really liked it, it's helped you along a bit, why not subscribe to our channel, because we do a diverse range of videos that you might be interested in, just might. Especially the socks one.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys.